How to kill hostas. Hostas are easy to plant and easy to care for. These hardy plants can be planted in sun and shade, need little attention and come back year after year, usually looking better than they did the season before. For this same reason, it is sometimes difficult to kill hosta. If you no longer wish to grow this plant, its hardiness may work against you, as you find it continuing to resurface. Things you'll need: shovel, weed killer. Dig up your hostas completely, using a shovel. Hostas don't have deep root systems, usually about 1 foot, but dig deeper than that and about 1 foot around the outside of the plant to make sure all of the roots are extracted. Spray the hosta with weed killer, per label instructions. One application of any type of herbicide typically will kill hosta in a few days. Drown the hostas. Hostas can withstand heavy watering, but they have limits. Build up a dirt bowl around the base of the hosta, and fill the bowl with water as often as possible over 1 to 2 days. Eventually, the leaves will begin to turn yellow and the plant will die. This method takes a lot of time and effort, and you run the risk of the plant returning. Pour boiling or very hot water over the hostas. The hot water will scald the leaves and kill the plant.